How to test your camera in Teams without joining a meeting. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first you will have to test your camera in a test call. In order to make a test call, what you will have to do is use a private meeting. Open your Teams application and then tap on Meet. Now simply go to Start Meeting. And from here you will be able to use your test meeting. Simply turn on your video, see if the video is suitable for you. You can change your background and many more. After fixing all the problems that you uh, face in your cameras or your video, after that only simply tap on join now and then join the meeting. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.